So today I'm going to show you how to be joining the two legs here in this doll pattern. This is the head and the upper body so far, so I'm going to now take the two legs that I've worked on, join them, and we'll be able to make that lower body part to attach to the doll. So, as you can see, if you follow the instructions for the legs, one will be fastened off and the other will remain on your hook. So what you're going to do first is chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then you're going to join that to the other leg. So I'm going to start with this. Well, you could go with any stitch you want, but for ease, I'm just going to start at the first stitch of that last row. So I'm going to join with a single crochet, like so. There we go. That was the single crochet. And then you're going to single crochet all the way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I only counted 5 stitches here because the first one, the first joining single crochet is the 6th. So I technically have 6 single crochets on this leg. Now after you've single crocheted around that first leg, you're going to add a single crochet in each of these chains here. So I'm going to go across the row and insert a single crochet in each of these. And you can kind of tilt them to see where they are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to start with this one here. It's a little bit fiddly because the pieces are small, but you could wiggle them around slightly to get to the chain parts. Okay. One chain, and since there are six chains, you're going to do 6 single crochets across. So I did 1, here's 2, here's 3, 4, 5, 6. Six single crochet across the chains. Then you're going to join to the leg. Continue single crocheting all the way across. So find the next open stitch. Here, if you look this way, if that's more clear, you see the next one, this one's taken, so the next one's here. So I'm going to insert my hook, single crochet 6 around. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And at the end here, you'll see that you've single crocheted around this leg, all the way across the chain, around the other leg. Now you're going to single crochet across that chain 6 that you've made. So again, that will be 6 more single crochets. Just make sure I can see the stitches here. Okay, insert my hook. Here's 1. Then where's that second one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. here's the second one. Apologies, I'm having a hard time seeing my stitches here. 3, and oops, let me do number 3 again. I split the stitch there. Three, 4, 5, oops, and 6. All right, so now that you see you've gone across, when you did the chain over, you went around that leg, went over to the gap, around this leg, and over. So that concludes the joining row, and next all you have to do is follow the pattern around, and soon you'll be attaching the doll parts together. So hope you have a fun time crocheting this doll. Happy crocheting!